Alright, welcome to a not particularly happy episode of the channel and a cautionary tale. This is my friend's girlfriend's sister's car. She's been complaining about the brakes not working. I had it in, it wasn't really pulling enough vacuum on the servo to give servo assistance. Now on these, it's a vacuum. This here is a vacuum on the inside, high pressure fuel pump on the outside. Now they're 220 plus of that now. I found a rebuild kit for 25 quid, so she said give that a go. Put that on yesterday, fine, drove it around, brakes were great, drove great, no problems. Later on she rang me and said my car just exploded. She said it was revving on its own and loads of black smoke. So I had an idea what had happened. The seal, which is between the fuel part of the pump and the vacuum part of the pump, had failed, so it was pumping fuel into the engine. Then it started dieseling. Luckily she turned it off. Luckily it did turn off. So what I've done this morning, I went and got a second-hand vacuum, factory vacuum thing, fuel pump, tandem pump, whatever they're called. Drain the oil. Unfortunately 15 litres, I think it's 15 litres anyway. So a 5 litre jug. It is a 5 litre jug, and I filled that 3 times. So there was 15 litres of fluid in the engine, in an engine that only takes 5 litres. So we've got a plastic bag in case this starts dieseling again and we need to kill it. We've drained all the oil, new filter, refilled the oil, should be about full on the dipstick now, new pump, and we're going to give this a go, and hopefully this engine is not complete toast. If it is, it's bad. It's bad. It's a Volkswagen type. It's like a 2 litre TDI, even though it's a Mistubishi. It's the 2 litre TDI fitting in Audi's Golfs, things like that. So yeah, I'm going to finish topping off the oil and then we'll try starting it. Good luck. That wasn't what we wanted at all. So yeah, that sounds like the battery's flat, or the cylinders are full, but it did start. briefly. We'll try it with a jump start. Try it again. I smoked a little bit. Not diesel, no? Okay. I think we're past the danger of dieseling point. We've took the intercooler pipe off. Now squirted an immense amount of diesel around the place. Engine doesn't actually sound too bad. Smoking is still smoky. I hope that we see what this clears up like. I need to go and get some diesel, I think, because it's going to run out because there's so much that's gone into the engine. Good noise. Yeah, that's probably normal. That's good smoke. I think it's calming down a bit. I think, and that is one of those I think we've got away with this. We've done the oil and filter once, driven up and down the road until the smoke, it stopped smoking now. Drives fine, brakes work fine, so the new vacuum fuel pump, well new, second-hand vacuum fuel pump, which is there, it appears to be working correctly. But there was a load of diesel in the intercooler, so we got stacks of oily, diesely stuff down there. So we think probably recontaminated, not contaminated because diesel is oil, but there's probably more than a good trace of oil in diesel in that oil. So we've got some proper oil, we've got another filter. We'll just wait for that to cool. I didn't wait for it to cool, nearly burnt my hand. We'll wait for the rest of that to drain out. New filter, fill it again, and then I think we might be okay. But yeah, this has been a stressful, potential pain in the bum, but I think we're okay.